So we got a really tall hotel here. And apparently it's got some northern elevators that are in the process of a mod. Now hopefully they're not all gone by now, but we're about to see. This is at, I think, the Hilton. Yeah, the Hilton in Niagara Falls. There it is. I think those are some original cars still, so we might be good. Yeah, there they are. This is the South Tower. Wait, no, we need to go to the North Tower. The Mid Tower. I don't want to go to a tower that's mid, so... Oh, these are modded. Uh-oh. Though I hope the North Tower's not modded, but we'll see. There's a look at those. There we go. North Tower. This place is pretty big. Well, it is like 50 floors. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Oh, original one.
Okay.
Sorry.
First floor.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take care. Wow, look at these things. God damn. Okay, these are awesome. Very quickly, let's kind of view. Don't want to lose our elevator here, but look. 50 floors up. How about that? All right. Now, get our cab view. Trying to close up. I've heard people say these are Niagara, I think, perhaps. That's a quick stop.
Lobby. Going up.
And the good old CE voice. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video here.